Hi, this is Mrs. Berensky, and today we're going to be dividing two fractions. Let's start with an example. 1/6 divided by 1/4. When we divide by two fractions, we actually multiply by its reciprocal. What does that mean? We're going to get ready to flip the second fraction. We rewrite the 1/6, and now we're going to change our problem from a division problem to a multiplication problem. If we change from division to multiplication, we have to change the number following the sign. So we flip the fraction. 1/4 becomes 4/1. This is called a reciprocal. That's a fancy name for flipping the fraction. Now we just multiply across. 1 times 4 is 4, and 6 times 1 is 6. 4/6 can be reduced because they're both even numbers. They're divisible by 2, and so our final answer is 2/3. Remember, you want to follow the sign and flip the fraction. Faf. Okay, let's look at another example. 2/5 divided by 3/4. 2/5 change the operation from division to multiplication. 2/5 times, when we change it to multiplication, we have to change the fraction following the sign. So the 3/4 becomes 4/3. You're right, that's the reciprocal. Now we multiply across. 2 times 4 is 8, and 5 times 3 is 15. And that's in simplest form. If we look back at 2/5 divided by 3/4, we can do this operation mentally as well. We can multiply 4 times 2 and get 8, and 5 times 3 and get 15. Let's look at this last example. It's a real interesting one. 3/5 divided by 3/5. Again, remember that second fraction, you're going to be flipping that fraction in just one moment as soon as you change the sign. 3/5 times 5/3. 5/3, again, is the reciprocal. Multiply across, and you get 15/15, which is 1 whole. Any number over itself is 1 whole, and when you multiply a fraction by its reciprocal, your answer is always 1. And that's all it takes to divide two fractions. Thanks for tuning in, and hope to see you next time.